one thing I really wished I would have done was get the second quart. I thought, hey, these rails, 1 quart, no problem. Well, I was wrong. I don't want you making the same mistake. If you're going to get some paint at the store, if you think a quart will do it, you don't necessarily have to get a gallon. If you think 1 quart will do it, go ahead and get 2 quarts, because you can always take the second quart back. Now the store is going to be closing in about an hour and a half from now. I'm going to have to stop what I'm doing. I got to go back to the store because I really don't want to have to let this set overnight with the masking tape down and the newspaper and all that kind of stuff. I don't want anybody messing with this. And I really don't want to have to come back here tomorrow. I'll work here late. I'd rather work late and get it all done. But I wish I would have just got that second coat. Now that dripped right there because it was that fluff. I'm going to have to clean that up. But I really wish when I was at the store, the smartest thing I could have done was get a second quart. Don't make the same mistake as I did. That's what these videos are about. You're supposed to learn from Joe's mistakes. Okay. I guess I'm off to the paint store. Liking it. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.